Hello guys, welcome to TechUs. In today's video, I will be showing you how to solve Rubik's Cube using an application. Before watching this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap on the bell icon to receive notifications. First, head on to App Store. Now search for Cube Solver. The first application is the app that we needed. So download that application. It is around 27 megabits. Now open that application. Click on Solve Your Cube. Cube 3x3. Solve fast. Now give the colors as on the cube. Enter the colors correctly according to the sides. Now you can see the steps that we have to do. Move according to that steps. For some moments it may show 2x, that means you have to rotate 2 times. Now you can see that I have completed solving the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please comment below about your queries. Thank you.